Hi, in this video we'll be looking at the cout command. Now cout is used for displaying information from our program, and this code in front of here has an example of that. Now the cout command here is actually, it's in a library called IOStream. Now if we want to actually use our cout command within our program, we need to make sure that our compiler is associated with that, and that's done by this top line here, #include IOStream. So this basically says to the compiler we're going to be using parts of this IOStream library later on in our program. So if we actually lost that line, it would then, our program started to say, I don't know what cout actually is. So you do need to have this line in there if you want to actually use the cout command. Now the way cout works is, what it does is this is sending a string. So any text which is in quote marks, double quote marks, is actually sent to the cout command. So the way you should think of this is, I am sending this text within these quote marks to our screen, to the output of this computer program. So it's cout, and it has these two arrows. So these two arrows are pointing at cout. So this is going to be putting this text onto the screen. So if I run this app, it says build success, and then it goes, my name is Paul, ! So the first thing you'll notice is \n has not actually appeared there. Now this is called an escape sequence, which is kind of like this is an old-fashioned way of sort of dealing with it. And what the \n character does is it starts a new line. So if I add several of these commands, so if I do just a cut and a paste, and then run this, so now I've got my name is Paul has gone onto the screen. So what this character here would do is this starts a new line on the output. So that's there. There is another way of actually doing this, which is slightly more elegant, and that is the endl character. So cout, it's sending that, and we can also send endl. So what endl does is it's a new line command for cout. So if I put that onto the end of this one as well, and I clear that, what we should see is this program is exactly the same as the program before. So we can output multiple lines by this cout command. We can have several of them, and we can use the endl function on the end to actually create a new line. So it's good for sort of text formatting. So we'll just go back to one line. Now there are several errors that can happen with cout. If we got these arrows the wrong way round, that would give us an error. It would say something like invalid operands to binary expression. Never makes it easier. But what that's telling us is there's something wrong with these. So if I get in this and I'm thinking, oh, what's wrong with them? I might want to try changing them the wrong way round. But as I said, The way to remember this is sending this text to the cout command. So I can have multiple words to cout, all on one line. So if I ran this, there it says, my name is Paul, hello. If I thought, oh, I want to make this look a little bit better, I could do Endel, and then some more of those. What the difference is this will print out this first string, then it will change a new line, and then it will print out the second string. So if I run this, it's changed from that. So I could either do this, or if I wanted to, I could have another command to cout. You can have as many as you want. I'll get rid of that one. Oops. And then run this again. Been successful. So cout is used for printing text onto your output screen here.